Are you looking for a cost-effective yet simple to use webcam for your live streams? Then you're going to want to make sure you take a look at this unboxing of the Logitech Brio 4K camera. Make sure you stay tuned. This is Dale from Live Streaming Tech, and if you'd like to learn a little bit more about live streaming like a pro, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn the bell notification to on so you don't miss a single video. We would like to know, what are you using for a webcam right now? Are you using a DSLR, or are you kind of using something that is just off your laptop? Definitely leave your honest thoughts down inside the comments. Also, I'm going to show you precisely why we lean in favor of Logitech's Brio 4K, because of its simplicity. Instead of me bloviating on and on, let's go ahead and let Walt take it away.
Okay, so yeah, we're going to do an unboxing here. This one came from Amazon. This was sent to me by an anonymous donor, whatever you want to call. And so, yeah, this is going to be a Logitech cam. So let's find out which exact one. As you see, the package is already kind of slightly open because my kids and wife are nosy. So let's go ahead and reach in there. All right, it is the Logitech Brio 4K Pro webcam. It's in the box. We've got the barcode on it, and it is sealed, so that's good. Means that there's going to be no earwax or anything like on there. No, I'm just kidding. I've always seen those unboxing videos where somebody gets like used earbuds and there's like chunks of earwax on them. That's pretty gross. Okay, just because I'm a pro, I'm going to use a spoon to open this box up, or not. That's stupid. Okay. Well, I don't know what was dumber, me or trying to open it. All right, we're going to go with the old trusty screwdriver to break the seal on there. And that was about as brilliant as the spoon. Let's see here. Start it. There we go. All right. Oh, there's more seals on there. My God, Logitech. Logitech with, you know what? I do have a blade. Yeah. All right, so we're going to go with the blade. Box cutter, sitting right there in arm's reach, and I'm using a spoon and a screwdriver to open the Logitech Brio. All right, this is going to be really cool because I'm going to be able to use this now this year to shoot YouTube videos and my streams in higher resolution. All right, to download camera settings software for this product, please visit logitech.com/support-brio. Okay, it's actually nestled in the box, nice and pretty. Let's see if we can't get a good shot of that. Has the little plastic thing on there. All right, let's pull it out. Oh wow, it's nice and firm. Okay, as you see, just like most Logitech cameras, it doesn't take up that much real estate. But unlike the other three Logitech cams I've used in the past, this one actually plugs in. The other ones are hardwired in, so that's kind of cool. I like that. It's a good little option. All right, let's get further into the box. Man, Logitech props. You worried about your Logitech cam getting broke? I don't think so. All right, so let's see here. We got the quick install. Right there, quick install. Cool thing is too is I do have a little tripod, which I recommend getting. This one's kind of cool. It has nothing to do with this video. It's a mini D tripod, and extends and all that good stuff. But that's the cool thing about this Logitech cam. There's other ones that are like that as well, where you can actually mount it on to a tripod stand or clip it onto a monitor or edge of your desk, yada yada. So here's the cable, nice and sturdy. Wow, wow. I don't know if you guys have seen unboxings on the Stream Deck. The Stream Deck cable, that was the only complaint I had about that, was the cable was very thin. It was very chintzy and felt cheap. Where this one here is nice, thick, sturdy. Even has nice little Velcro holding it together. Usually you get twist ties or whatnot, and wow, it's even better. It's a pretty good little Velcro thing. It's actually attached to it. You can slide it around. All right. What else do we have? another clippy thing to go with it. I don't know. I thought that would be built in. Oh, let's see what we have here. We have a little bag with the drawstring on it. So when you're on the move, just throw your Brio, Logitech Brio in there, and nothing's going to get scratched up. Then, of course, we have the warning, don't, you know, record in the bathtub type information. We have it in English and probably 100 other different languages. Yeah, and here's another safety one. Wow, they really wanted to make sure you were safe. They gave me 2 of them. They're almost positive they're identical. I don't have my reading glasses on, so I couldn't tell you. So, pull off the plastic. Let's pull that off. But there you go. That's the Logitech Brio. I will be sure to hook this up and attach it. And we'll do another video on the cool settings and whatnot. And we'll see what it looks like compared to the other Logitech cams that I have laying around. All right. Till then, later.